Good day, Niners. This video lesson is about tangents to a circle. Now let's begin with answering this. Find the equation of the tangent line to the circle equals x plus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 100 to the point 5 negative 1. Now the circle is the blue circle. It's already drawn. The point negative 3 5 is plotted. The blue point, the red point is the point 5 negative 1, and this is the tangent line. Now this is very easy to answer since the tangent to a circle is always perpendicular to the radius connecting the center at the point of tangency, meaning this is a right angle, so it's perpendicular. Therefore, all we need to do is to get the slope of this is doing negative 3, 5, and 5, negative 1. The slope is 5 minus negative 1, that's 6, over negative 3 minus 5, that's negative 8. So the slope is negative 3/4. And therefore, slope of our tangent line is the negative reciprocal of this slope, which is 4/3. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line is 4x minus 3y is equal to, now you know that it will pass through the point 5 negative 1, so that's 5 times 4, 20, minus 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3. 20 minus negative 3 is 23. So this is the equation of the red line, the tangent line. Now let's go to the next. Find the equation of the lines tangent to the circle and passing through the point 11,7. Now this is a different problem than the previous one because the point given is not on the circle. So we're looking for the tangent lines that will pass through a given point that is not on the circle. It's not as easy as the previous problem. Now let's focus first in the two red lines are the tangent lines. Those are the lines that we are looking for. Now let's focus only on one tangent line first, like this. Now we know that the distance between the point and the line and the red line is the radius, and it's equal to 10. So let's write that. The radius is 10, and that's the distance between the point and the line. Now we can apply here the distance between the line and the point. Distance is equal to A. We put there the x coordinate of the point, B, the y coordinate of the point, plus C all over square root of A squared plus B squared. This will give us the distance between the line and the point. Now we will not bother anymore with the conventions of the signs. You know that we will choose a plus or a minus in the denominator. We will not bother with that anymore because all we need is the magnitude of the distance. Now the problem here is that we don't know the equation of the red line. That's actually what we're looking for, but what we are sure here is that it will pass through the point 11,7. Now we don't know the slope of this line, let it be m, and we know it will pass through the point 11,7. Then we can get the family of lines that will pass through 11,7 by simply applying the point slope formula. Y minus 7 equals m times x minus 11. So this will give us all the lines that will pass through the point 11,7, but we are looking for that line whose distance from negative 3, 5 is 10. So all we need to do here is to make this into its general form. So y minus 7 is equal to mx minus 11m. So writing this in general form in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So this will become mx. Now moving y to the right, will become minus y. Moving minus 7 to the right, that will become plus 7. And then minus 11m equals 0. Now we have here a general form. What is a here is m. A must be m. And b must be the coefficient of y. And that is also, that's obviously negative 1. C is actually 7 minus 11m, right? So C is equal to 7 minus 11m. And we can use these details to use the distance between the line and the point. Now let's erase first part of our solution. Okay. Now we know the distance between the point and the line is the radius, and that's 10. And it's equal to a times the x-coordinate of the point. So this would be negative 3m, right? Because m times negative 3. Then plus by, b times the y-coordinate, which is 5. Let's put it here, there, negative 3 here, and 5. But you know that b is negative 1, so this becomes minus 5. Plus c is plus 7 minus 11m. All over square root of a squared plus b squared, which is square root of m squared. And b squared would be negative 1 squared, 1. So you see, all we need to do here is to solve for m. Now, multiplying 10 and square root of m squared plus 1, this will become 10. Square root of m squared plus 1 equal to negative 3m minus 11m is 14m minus 14m. Negative 5 plus 7 is 2, so this is 2 minus 14m. Now, before we solve for m by squaring both sides, it's better if we simplify this first, dividing it by 2. This will become 5 square root of m squared plus 1 equal to 1 minus 7m, dividing all terms by 2, simplifying it. And again, let's erase some of our clear space. Now we're ready to square both sides, squaring this and squaring the other side. So the left side will become 25 times the m squared plus 1, which I will now distribute. 25m squared plus 25 is equal to, now expanding this, you get 1 minus 14m plus 49 m squared. And collecting all the terms in one side, moving 25 to the right, that becomes minus 25 m squared, leaving you with 24. Then minus 14m. Moving 25 to the right, become minus 25, and that's 1 minus 25 or negative 24 equals 0. A very simple quadratic equation which can be easily factored. Dividing all terms by 2 first, you get 12m squared here, then minus 7m minus 12 equals 0, and this is factorable. So you have here 4m, 3m, I'll put here 4 and here 3. This is a minus and that's a plus. So now we have here m, solving for this factor, we get m is 4/3. Here m is equal to negative 3/4. So remember earlier, I erased the other tangent line. Let's put it back. So this is the tangent line. The other tangent line will pass through the point 11,7, satisfying the conditions given. The positively sloped 4/3 is obviously this red line. The negatively sloped negative 3/4, the negative slope negative 3/4 is obviously the slope of the other tangent line. The decreasing tangent line, this line. Now we have the point and we have the slope. It's very easy to get the equation of the tangent lines because they will both pass through the point 11,7. Okay, now let's get the equation of this positively sloped line with the slope 4/3. So we have here 4x minus 3y is equal to, it will pass through 11,7, that's 44 minus 21, you get 23 here. The equation of this negatively sloped tangent line, the slope is negative 3/4, so this will be 3x plus 4y is equal to, passing through 11,7, that's 33 plus 28. 33 plus 28 is 61. So these two are the answers to the problem, equations of the tangent lines, red lines. Now I have here another one problem, same as what we answered, finding the tangent to a circle passing through a point that is not on the circle. So I want you to answer this and hope that you can arrive at these correct answers, these lines. Good day.